Restoring wood and metal can be time-consuming and even messy without the right tool. Hand sanding and electric sanders seem to take forever, and chemicals are toxic. The Restorer is one of the fastest and cleanest ways to restore and refinish surfaces, and it's used by pros and DIYers. Don't trash your table, restore it. Conventional sanding could take hours, only 5 minutes, and look at that perfect finish. Restoring wood has never been easier, making old wood new again. Here's how it works. Material is removed cold and flicked away from the surface, while other products trap material, causing friction to burn out attachments. The Restorer keeps the surface cold and smooth. Instead of trashing your old car, restore it. Removing layers of paint or rust could take days, only 10 minutes, and look at that surface. Restoring metal has never been so fast, making old metal new again. Cleanup is easy. Simply connect the Restorer to a shop vac and collect the dust while you work inside or out. The Restorer, making old new again. Endless possibilities with additional rollers sold separately.